In a world full of flashy features and risky redesigns, some cars are still built with one goal in mind: lasting the long haul. And for 2025, a few standout models prove that reliability is far from dead. Whether you plan to drive your car for 5 years or 15, reliability is what protects you from unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. We've chosen only the cars that have proven themselves year after year, easy to maintain, built to endure, and truly worth your investment. Let's dive into the 7 most reliable cars of 2025 you'll never regret owning. Mazda 3. Often overlooked, the Mazda 3 combines fun-to-drive dynamics with impressive durability. This compact car is aging like fine wine, and the 2025 model continues that trend. It's quietly become one of the most consistent performers in its class, and it's only getting better. The standard 2.5L engine delivers smooth power with excellent fuel economy. Mazda's signature driving dynamics give it a sportier edge than its rivals. The handling is sharp, steering is responsive, and there's an available AWD option too. It's reliable without being boring, a rare combo in the compact segment. Kodo design language makes the Mazda 3 look more upscale than most of its class. Even the base trims have a refined, athletic stance and elegant LED lighting. It's one of the few compacts that genuinely turns heads. The 2025 model gets new color options and subtle front-end tweaks. Inside, you get a clean, premium-feeling cabin with real materials and thoughtful design. Tech is streamlined, not overcomplicated, with an easy-to-use infotainment dial system. Supportive seats, tight build quality, and excellent noise insulation elevate the experience. It feels more like an entry luxury car than an economy compact. If you need something a bit bigger, with that same bulletproof reputation, this next midsize SUV delivers. Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai's 2025 Santa Fe arrives with bold looks, updated tech, and yes, dependable engineering. It's one of the most improved, and now one of the most reliable midsize SUVs. Years of refinement and customer feedback have paid off in a big way. The base 2.5L engine is tried and true, while the turbo and hybrid variants offer solid power. Hyundai focused on making the drivetrain simple and smooth, and it shows. The ride is composed and quiet, with confident handling for daily use. No major recalls, no known long-term issues, just solid engineering. The boxy Land Rover-inspired redesign is bold and functional. It's rugged, yet refined, with sleek lighting, big wheels, and squared edges. You'll stand out in the grocery lot, and maybe on the trail too. Hyundai finally nailed the look for families and adventure seekers alike. You get a spacious cabin with soft materials and clever storage spaces. A wide dual-screen setup gives the dash a futuristic vibe without being overwhelming. It's quiet, comfortable, and upscale across all trims. Third row is tight but handy, perfect for growing families. Looking for something smaller and sportier that still ranks high in reliability? This next hatchback is a mechanic's favorite. Volkswagen Golf GTI. You might not expect a VW on a reliability list, but the Golf GTI is the rare exception. Built in Germany and refined over decades, it's earned respect as a dependable performance hatch. A true icon that's just as solid under pressure as it is fun to drive. A turbocharged 2.0L engine and sharp handling make every drive feel like a track day. Yet it's tuned for daily usability, with a comfortable ride and confident steering. The manual and DSG transmissions are durable and rewarding to drive. It's sporty without being temperamental, a true hot hatch done right. Understated but sharp, with signature red accents, honeycomb grille, and aggressive stance. It doesn't scream, "Look at me," but car lovers will know exactly what it is. 2025 updates include revised LED lighting and new alloy designs. It's mature, clean, and aging beautifully. Digital gauges, customizable lighting, and bolstered sport seats make this cabin feel driver-focused. Material quality is solid, and the layout is sleek once you learn the interface. It's practical too, with plenty of rear cargo space and daily comfort. It feels premium without going overboard. Now, if you want luxury and reliability rolled into one, this next sedan is unbeatable in both. Lexus ES. Forget BMW headaches or Audi repairs. The Lexus ES proves luxury can be peaceful and long-lasting. This car is everything premium sedans should be. It's refined, quiet, and incredibly reliable, built on Toyota DNA but dressed to impress. The standard V6 or hybrid powertrains are butter smooth and proven over time. Steering is refined, and ride comfort is almost limousine-like. It's not meant to thrill, but it absolutely delivers serenity and ease. And with Toyota underpinnings, it'll run for decades. Elegant and timeless, the ES gets subtle design updates every year. The spindle grille is toned down slightly, and the silhouette is sleek without being flashy. It's the kind of luxury that doesn't need to show off. Premium trims add tasteful chrome and exclusive colors. Top-notch materials, plush seating, and whisper-quiet cabin noise levels define the experience. Infotainment is vastly improved, and rear seat comfort is a standout in this class. Everything feels solid and crafted with purpose. There's no learning curve. Just sit back and enjoy. Next up, we'll cover the final three cars, including an electric option and a surprise entry from an American brand. Ford Maverick. Think trucks can't be reliable and affordable? Think again. The Ford Maverick is rewriting the rules for everyday utility, and it's built to last. It brings pickup capability to the masses without overcomplicating things or driving up the cost. Whether you go with the hybrid or the 2.0L EcoBoost, the Maverick's drivetrain is simple and proven. The hybrid offers unbelievable MPG for a pickup, with some owners reporting over 40 MPG. Its towing and payload are modest but perfect for light-duty, weekend warriors. And mechanically, these are showing excellent reliability in early ownership. Compact but bold, the Maverick looks like a real truck without the bulk. It's urban-friendly yet rugged enough for the trail, especially in the Tremor trim. 2025 tweaks add new paint colors, lighting elements, and mild grille revisions. It doesn't scream for attention, but it looks purpose-built. Ford nailed the basics: hard-wearing materials, smart design, and space where it counts. It's easy to clean, clever with storage, and intuitive to drive. Updates in 2025 include a larger touchscreen and more driver assist features standard. It feels like a tool you enjoy using, not just another vehicle. Need an EV that won't leave you stranded? This next car might surprise you with how dependable electric can be. BMW i4. BMW's i4 is the rare electric car that blends reliability, fun, and premium design. It's one of the few luxury EVs with growing owner trust, and not just hype. For drivers who want electric without sacrificing driving joy or daily peace of mind, the i4 gets it right. With instant torque and up to 335 horsepower or more in M50 trims, the i4 is shockingly fast. It handles like a true BMW, with weight well managed and a planted feel. The battery tech and powertrain have shown strong early durability and thermal management. It delivers range and refinement without drama. Low-slung and sporty, the i4 avoids the weird EV design trap. It shares styling cues with the 4 Series Gran Coupe, and that's a good thing. Subtle blue accents and aerodynamic wheels set it apart without going overboard. This is a car that looks fast, because it is. BMW's digital cockpit blends physical buttons with crisp screens, making it intuitive. Materials are classic BMW, firm, high-end, and driver-focused. It's quiet, luxurious, and doesn't overwhelm you with gimmicks. Rear seat space is tight, but the hatchback layout adds serious practicality. And finally, for drivers who want old-school reliability with no fuss or tech headaches, this Japanese icon still reigns supreme. Subaru Legacy. No car gets less attention and more miles than the Subaru Legacy. It may be under the radar, but its reliability is the stuff of legend. If you're not chasing flash and just want something that works, the Legacy is the definition of consistency. The standard 2.5L flat-4 engine is smooth and unshakable. All-wheel drive comes standard, offering peace of mind in all weather. It's not the fastest car, but it's consistent, predictable, and easy to maintain. The CVT transmission is one of the more durable ones in the segment. Clean lines, an understated front end, and functional proportions define the legacy. It's not trying to impress, and that's part of its charm. 2025 models get minor lighting updates and fresh color options. A practical look for practical drivers. Soft touch materials, intuitive controls, and a large vertical touchscreen headline the cabin. It's roomy, comfortable, and built with long-distance driving in mind. Visibility is excellent, and sound insulation is above average. Nothing flashy, but everything works as it should. According to Consumer Reports, each of these vehicles ranks in the top tier for predicted reliability and owner satisfaction. The Lexus ES and Mazda 3 consistently score near the top of reliability charts. Ford's Maverick has shocked analysts with how few problems it reports. Meanwhile, BMW's i4, surprisingly, has proven itself as one of the more trustworthy EVs out there. These aren't guesses, they're backed by real data from thousands of owners and long-term testing. Choosing one of these cars in 2025 means less time in the shop and more time on the road. So, whether you're chasing efficiency, comfort, tech, or just good old-fashioned durability, these 7 cars deliver results. Don't gamble on hype or unproven redesigns. Buy smart, buy proven, and buy with confidence. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more trusted car insights, and tell us in the comments, which car do you trust the most in 2025?